Basically, motion is classified into two types. What are they? First motion is your uniform motion. Second motion is your non-uniform motion. So, first of all, we will discuss about what do you mean by uniform motion. Uniform motion means when an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Try to understand the definition. When an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. So let us take another example. Suppose I am starting my car and the position is known as A. I travel 10 km and I reached at B. So I travel 10 km and time interval is here 1 hour. Then again I started my journey from position B and travel 10 km and I reached C. Again I travel 10 km, I reached at point D and time interval is 1 hour. So see, here I travel 10 km each. In each 1 hour I travel 10 km distance. That means here 10 km, here again 10 km, here again 10 km. Means speed is constant. And here time is also 1 hour. So we can say that this is one example of uniform motion. Let us take another example. See the table and what is uniform motion? This is distance, and as you know that the unit of distance is meter and this is time and unit is second. So distance traveled 0 second means what? The body is at rest. So if you see time interval from 1 second to 2 second is 1 second, but the distance traveled by an object is 6 minus 3 is your 3 meter. Then coming from 2 second to 3 second, again time interval is your 1 second, but distance traveled by an object is your again 9 minus 6 is your 3 meter. Then again coming from 3 to 4 second, again time interval is 1 second, and distance traveled by an object is your 12 minus 9 is your 3 meter. That means what? In each 1 second, distance traveled by an object is 3 meter. So 3 meter is constant here. So we can say that equal distances covers in equal interval or time. Got it or not? So let me explain about uniform motion in graphical. And as you know that this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate, and x coordinate represents what? Time, and y coordinate represents what? Distance, and this is your origin, and 0, look at this. Look at the table. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to take on y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here difference is 3, 6, 9, 12. So let us join all the points. So the coordinates are what? 0, 0. So no need to drop 0, 0 here. You can take 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. I am putting here star mark so that you can know. Then second coordinate is your 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And third coordinate is your 3 and 9. And fourth coordinate is your 4 and 12. So if we will join all the points, you will get a straight line. Whenever you see distance triangle graph is a straight line, without any doubt we can say that this is a uniform motion. In the straight line passes through the origin. Got it or not? Okay. So our second type motion is your non-uniform motion. Try to write all the definition so that you can understand non-uniform motion. So the same only, when an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. When an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Again, let us take one table. This is your distance. time. Zero, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is your 3, this is your 4, this is your 9, this is your 14. So look at here. As I said earlier, distance traveled 0 means the body is at rest. Then here look at the time interval in each case. Look at the time interval 1, 2, 3, 4. So time interval in each case is your 1 second. But let us take the first case. Coming from 1 to 2 seconds, time interval is your 1 second. But distance travelled by an object is 4 minus 3 means 1 meter. Then come to the second case. Coming to 2 seconds to 3 seconds, time interval is your 1 second. But distance travelled by an object is 9 minus 4 is your 5 meter. Then coming from 3 to 4, time interval is your 1 second, but distance travelled by an object is 5 meter. So look at here. Time interval are same, but this time you are not getting the same distance. Here you are getting 1 meter, here 5 meter, here 5 meter. That means what? Means speed differs. Here motion with different speed. Okay. So again we have to explain this one in graphically. X and y axis 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here suppose 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So 1 and 3 you have to take 1 and 3. So here 1 and 3. Then second 2 and 4. 2 and 4, suppose 4 point is here. Imagine 4 point is here. Then third one 3 and 9. 3 and 9. And 9. Then fourth one is 4 and 14. Imagine 14 is here. So 4 and 4. So let us join all the points. What you will notice? You will notice that this time you are not getting the straight line. This is a curved line. That means what? Unequal distances covers in equal interval of time. Understood or not? Okay. So these all are about your motion and classification of motion. Then if you have doubt, then ask me and comment me. Then today this much only, and see you and bye bye.